So we're back under the hood of the M38a1 today. We get a little work done on her, see if we can get her running on her own. The fuel pump has been removed and checked, the aftermarket electric fuel pump that was here. And that actually works, so that's a plus. The carburetor has been taken off and is about to get a good cleaning. And it used to sit over here. So the old battery is gone for all time. Swapped out, waiting, got the new one all ready to put in here. And we're gonna see what we're gonna see today. But I got high hopes, just like that little ant trying to move the rubber tree plant. We'll see what comes of it here. If I keep tripping over that fuel line, now my day is gonna go sideways. So let me move that. And of course, the dogs are being helpful as ever underneath the other ambulance over here. So, I don't know. Good day out here so far. Nothing but promise. I got Bill over here helping me out. Great fella. So, I think we've got good time coming here. Let's see what we can do. And on our Dodge ambulance, just took about half an hour with little tools and lots of penetrating oil. But both door latches now work again. And both windows now go up and down with protest, but they're getting there. The driver's side door actually has perfectly good flat glass in it. That's nice. I figured I was going to replace them both. So, scored on that one. Passenger glass, no bueno. Got to replace that one. Yeah, the door lock works. Yeah. So, batting 50-50 on those. We're getting there. And when I lifted the passenger seat where the battery box is, not only are both cables there, but under a bunch of mud that shouldn't be in here, is the original jumper between the two batteries. So that's a plus. I thought I was going to make another one. So I'm on half time just to get two batteries, chunk them in here and see what works. Big problem now is sourcing a radiator for it. This truck is missing a radiator and all the goodies that go with it. So if anybody's got a lead on an M37 radiator, I'd be much obliged. I'll pay fair value for one. Just drop me a message and we'll see. Otherwise, the work goes on. We're also looking at something that's compatible that'll fit in there. So it doesn't have to be an M37 radiator. That'd just be darn nice. So both vehicles are coming along. Slow but sure, we're getting there. Well, now, looking inside the carburetor, we sure got a lot of crud down in there. Let's see if we can get a look down in the bottom of that bowl there. A lot of dried gas, varnish, crap, ick. But we're getting her cleaned out. In the meantime, the gas tank sending unit's been taken out and cleaned out. And we've got gas running from the tank to the fuel filter at least, and past that into this janky carburetor once we get it rebuilt. And we should be up and running shortly, at least motor-wise. Well, after a few hours out here in the hot sun, Bill over here, say, look at, got this whole thing redone here. Fuel tank center's been pulled out, cleaned. New fuel line's been put in here. Carburetor's been cleaned out. And we've got some gas in the tank. Fuel pump's been rewired. So now, let's see what we get here. There's our fuel pump working.
Yep, fuel pump's on.
And contact.
Look at that.
Even our gauges are looking good here. We got amps, we got water temperature climbing already because there's no water in the radiator. Gas tank is pretty much empty, and we got oil pressure coming up to about 20 psi. So I think we're looking pretty good here. What's that? Oh yeah, a lot of change oil, get that radiator cooling system working, but she's definitely running. For the first time in God knows how long, look at that thing go. Look at that. That is American engineering at its finest, circa 1953. M38a1. Still got a lot of work to do, but you know what? We're on the way. And the Dodge is next.